Folks, I've been trying to get to this next place for probably a little over a year. One delay after another, and I was never been able to get here. But today is the day. All right, guys, I'm here with a good friend of mine. I've known Stacy for years. You're the head chef, right?
I am.
Head chef here at the Fitzwater Cafe. It's only been a year and a half I've been trying to get here to do this, and finally, today's the day, folks. Today's the day we introduce you. Yeah, today's the day we introduce you to the Fitzwater Cafe. Yeah, I run.
Oh my God.
I'm down. I'm good.
The Fitzwater Cafe is like the Cheers of South Philly. We have a lot of regulars. We know everybody by their name, repeat customers. I would say we're all day breakfast and lunch with heavy Italian accents.
The first time somebody's visiting the Fitzwater Cafe, what would you say they would have to try?
I would say to go a little bit of salty, a little bit of sweet. So I would suggest order the creme brulee French toast or the strawberry crunch and get something salty, the potato and egg, roast pork. I could show you how I make the strawberry crunch. It's kind of like a good humor bar, but French toast. We like to play around with food over here.
God forbid.
God
All right,
forbid.
can we?
That's so
God help me.
God forbid.
Yeah.
So all you have to do is you get vanilla wafers, crumble them up until they're like graham crackers, right? Almost like a graham cracker crust. Butter and strawberry jello melted down. It's all gonna come together. So it's like you have strawberry, almost like strawberry breadcrumbs, but they're sweet. So a full order of French toast, regardless of whatever type you order, you're gonna get 3 pieces. Then we take our house-made mascarpone whipped cream. And that is the strawberry crunch.
It seems like a family place. I've recognized the staff, always the same staff working here, and they're efficient, they're super sweet. It feels like a family spot.
Well, everything's great here, but I like the anything on the Sarcone's roll is good.
Did you ever have potato, egg, and cheese here?
Yeah, that's probably the best sandwich here.
Best sandwich here, right?
Sarcone's roll, yeah.
You could come in and get anything from creme brulee French toast, but that's what we're known for, or a potato and egg, or a chicken parm, or a pasta special. We're also known for our soups as well.
That strawberry crunch French toast should be legal. Hey guys, all right, that's it from the Fitzwater Cafe at 7th and Fitzwater in South Philly. Don't forget to get the strawberry crunch French toast. It's gonna knock your socks off. It's gonna knock you flat on your ass. It's really, really good. I'm already having dreams of it. I just had it. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. D-Lance out.